Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can earn money using ChatGPT in 2023. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can be used to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. It's still under development, but it's already capable of doing some amazing things. How can you use ChatGPT to make money? There are a number of ways you can use ChatGPT to make money in 2023. Here are a few ideas. Write articles. ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality articles on a variety of topics. You can then submit these articles to websites or blogs, or sell them on content marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork. Do social media management. ChatGPT can be used to create engaging social media posts, manage your social media accounts, and respond to comments and messages. You can then offer your services to businesses or individuals who need help with their social media marketing. Create apps. ChatGPT can be used to create text content for mobile apps. You can then sell these apps on the App Store or Google Play. Do marketing. ChatGPT can be used to write marketing copy, create email campaigns, and manage social media ads. You can then offer your services to businesses or individuals who need help with their marketing campaigns. Build websites. ChatGPT can be used to generate the text content for websites. You can then sell these websites to businesses or individuals who need a new website. Sell memes. ChatGPT can be used to generate funny or creative memes. You can then sell these memes on websites or social media platforms. Make chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that can interact with people in a natural way. You can then sell these chatbots to businesses or individuals who need help with customer service or lead generation. Create art generators. ChatGPT can be used to create art, such as poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, etc. You can then sell this art online or on social media platforms. How much money can you make? The amount of money you can make using ChatGPT will vary depending on your skills, experience, and the services you offer. However, there is the potential to make a good living using this tool. How do you get started? If you're interested in making money using ChatGPT, here are a few things you need to do. Learn how to use ChatGPT. There are a number of resources available online that can teach you how to use this tool. Develop your skills. The more skills you have, the more valuable you will be to potential clients. Market your services. Once you're ready to start making money, you need to let people know about your services. You can do this by creating a website, promoting yourself on social media, or networking with other professionals. Making money using ChatGPT is a great way to use your creativity and skills to make a living. If you're interested in learning more, I encourage you to check out the resources I mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. If you're ready to start making money using ChatGPT, I encourage you to take action today. Learn how to use this tool, develop your skills, and market your services. With a little effort, you can start earning money using ChatGPT in 2023.